Welcome to Manthra Software Services. We are a TMMi Level 5 certified company that delivers top-quality testing solutions. Welcome to the demo of performance testing using LoadRunner. In this video, we will see a demo of how performance testing is conducted on a pet store application with test execution done on LoadRunner. The outlines of the video are as follows. First, performance testing workflow. Second, test scenario, pet store web application. Third, performance test execution workflow in LoadRunner demo. Fourth, demo of presentation test execution. Now let's discuss on performance testing workflow covers. 1. Requirement gathering. This includes the performance test requirement checklist and application walkthrough session. 2. Project estimation. These are the estimating effort and resources, cost and timeline estimation. 3. Project schedule. Timely execution, milestone and baseline achievement, and efficient resources utilization. 4. Test plan, testing strategy, scope, objectives, schedule, test environment, roles and responsibilities, risks and mitigation, and deliverables. 5. Test design document, test cases, test data, execution conditions, and expected results. 6. Test script development, scripting and parameterization correlation. 7. Baseline test, test script and test data validation and dry run. 8. Test execution. It includes the execution of the test scenario, multiple cycles and runs. 9. Analysis of all performance logs, review and analyze server monitoring logs for report preparation. 10. Performance report and recommendations, preliminary report, final report, observation recommendation and conclusion. 11. Rerun performance tests during and after fixes, retesting after completion of fixes and performance improvement. The demo will be based on the test scenario, pet store web application. The flow of this test scenario is as follows. First, launch pet store demo application. Second, log into the pet store demo application. Third, choose a random category. Fourth, choose a random product. Fifth, add products to cart. Sixth, proceed to checkout. Seventh, perform payment. 8. Confirmation of order. 9th, logout. Now we'll comes to performance test execution workflow in LoadRunner demo. Launch LoadRunner, LR, controller apps. Select the scenario type and add the LR scripts. Specify the required number of virtual users. Choose a random product. Configure ramp-up time. Configure steady-state duration. Configure ramp-down time. Initiate execution. Execution will stop on completion. Excel reporting is automated. Excel reporting customized. Contains observations or recommendations. Now, we will see this in demo. Final Reports section. Performance test results. The final report will be presented in an MS Excel workbook with a worksheet containing the following information. Executive Summary. Errors. Transaction Summary. Response time. Load test statistics. Server monitoring logs. Observation and recommendation. Thank you for watching the demo. You can put your comments below. For more details, envelope with arrow, contact us at services@manthrasoft.com.